Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Ever wondered how to make a delicious meal in just 30 minutes? Today, we dive into the world of beef stroganoff meatballs, a delightful twist on the traditional stroganoff. Picture the rich, creamy textures of classic stroganoff, but with succulent meatballs taking center stage. This dish isn't just about beef. It adapts beautifully with various types of minced meat, making it perfect for anyone's taste or dietary needs. Whether you prefer chicken, turkey, or even fish, this recipe has you covered. Stay tuned to learn how to bring this comforting dish to your table. Let's dive into what you'll need for this scrumptious dish. Start with 450 grams of ground beef, 1 chopped onion, and 200 grams of sliced mushrooms. You'll also need 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 1/4 cup of stroganoff sauce, 1/2 cup each of cream and beef broth. Don't forget 2 tablespoons each of butter and vegetable oil, plus salt and pepper to taste. For those exploring alternatives, consider using ground chicken, lamb, turkey, or fish. Got everything? Great, now let's start cooking. First up, let's shape our main star, the meatballs. Begin by taking a large bowl and combining 450 grams of ground beef with 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now the key here is not just to mix, but to knead. Dive in with your hands and really work the spices and aromatics into the beef until the mixture is thoroughly combined and homogeneous. Once the mixture feels even, start rolling it into small, compact balls. Aim for consistency and size to ensure they cook evenly. This is where your culinary finesse comes into play. Each meatball should be as close to the others in size as possible, roughly the size of a golf ball. After rolling, you should have a platter of beautifully rounded meatballs, all set for the next step. With our meatballs ready, it's time to cook them to perfection. Now, watch these meatballs transform with some sizzle and stir. Let's start by heating a generous dollop of butter along with a splash of vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. This combination not only enriches the flavor, but also prevents our butter from burning. Once the pan is nicely heated, it's time to introduce the meatballs. Lay them gently into the pan, and let's give them a good fry. Turn them occasionally, ensuring each one gets a beautifully even brown crust. This should take around 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for a deep golden color and a crisp texture on the outside. As the meatballs cook to perfection, let's bring more characters into this culinary play. Add the finely chopped onions and the sliced mushrooms to the pan. Stir them around and watch as they soften and meld their flavors with the meatballs. This sautéing process should take about 5 minutes, just until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms have absorbed some of that glorious meatball flavor. Now, for the grand finale of flavors, pour in the stroganoff sauce along with the cream and beef broth. Stir everything well to ensure the sauce coats every meatball and vegetable piece. As you stir, the sauce will start to thicken slightly and bubble gently at the edges. This is where all the ingredients come together, marrying their flavors in a rich, creamy sauce that's just irresistible. Our sauce is bubbling with flavors. We're almost ready to serve this delightful dish. Our beef stroganoff meatballs are ready to hit the plate. For a delightful meal, serve these savory meatballs alongside a bed of fluffy rice or creamy mashed potatoes. Feel free to dive into the world of culinary creativity by trying different meat alternatives like ground chicken, beef, lamb, turkey, or even fish. Each offers a unique twist to this classic dish. Remember to adjust the seasonings to suit your palate and bring out the best in your chosen ingredients. There you have it, a simple yet flavorful meal ready in no time. Give this recipe a try and enjoy a hearty dinner tonight. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.